Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a wall mounting system for like a garage. We're gonna check this thing out and see how it looks and see if I can get my bicycle on there. Obviously not inside my apartment, it'll be when I get outside. But this is what it looks like here. So it looks like that. Oh, it's got a lot of pieces to it, so I'll have to probably install it and then do a video after, but I'll show you guys how it works. So let's see what we got. So the way it's gonna work is we will mount this. It looks like we mount this. This slides off. And we mount this to the wall. And then with all the different screws there, so we hopefully will get a stud. Actually, I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to get a stud in the garage here. But we will try it. And then we have our clip-on mounters. So let's wait. Once we have it on the wall, we'll go like that and clip it, and then it will snap into place there, and then it stays, it won't go anywhere. And you can put your bicycle tire in there, or however. Some of these ones are different than others. Let's see what the different ones are. This one here is just a hook to hang stuff on.
Wow.
This one here is the bike tire one. So this one here, you can kind of put your tire in there and it'll pull back so you can hang it. I'll show you what I'm talking about here on the instructions. Like that. You can put your tire through and then hang it from that. So I'll hang it up kind of high and put it on there. And it looks like we got two sets. So I'll probably have one bike and a hook on one side, and I'll hang my helmet and other parts from that. And then on the other side of the garage, I can do a whole other set with another one of these bars. So we have two of these bars and two of everything. So pretty cool. So we can set this up, or we can do all four on, going across, but I think I'll have one on one side and one on the other side, hang my different stuff up. So hopefully I'll be able to install this thing shortly and show you guys what it looks like installed, but otherwise it seems nice and solid, and you'll be able to just put it up anywhere, hang your stuff on it there, hang your bike on it, and then if you need to take it off, it looks like there is the little spring-loaded thing here. So how would that come off? Let's see. So I guess from the back you can kind of, this part here. Pull it off. I can see how you do it when it's off. Probably have to slide it off. That's a good question. I'm not sure. Oh, I know how we'll get it off. So when you want to get it off, you'll push it up and then out, and that's how it'll come out. So look at that. Cool. So you can always take these off if you need to and switch them around, and then you can slide them wherever on here. So, super cool. Thumbs up for me. Woo!